Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to generate images using Gemini and Nano Banana. So as you can see, I've already signed into Gemini right here, and there are two ways that you can generate images. If you like to do it quickly, you can do so from the new chat page. Just go ahead and click on plus and then click on create image. But what I prefer to do is I go to the images tab here. That way, this is the dedicated library that you should see when you're creating images. So I'm just going to quickly describe an image that I want to see. So can you generate an image of a Japanese woman eating ramen? So just something random that came to mind. Now I'm going to hit enter. And as you can see, it has started creating our image, but this should be done within a few seconds to a minute. Here's our output. Pretty well done, very realistic, and I wouldn't even know it was AI generated if it wasn't for this small watermark right here. So that's how you can quickly generate images using Google Gemini. If you'd like, you can use more specific prompts and be creative and just tailor it to your needs. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.